Hey Cornelius, hey Zeus, what are you two doing? And why is it involving the toilet paper? Oh wait, is this your idea of a Halloween costume? Do you want to be a mummy? Can we make you a mummy? What do you think? No, okay. I don't think the mummy's costume's gonna work. But, I mean, it is Halloween season, so I feel this gives me a good idea. Mummy Cats by Catan Club? I mean, I don't think it can get more perfect than that. So I say, let's open them up! Welcome to Z's Toy Box. I'm Z, this is Cornelius, and you all know Zeus. And on this week's episode, we are bringing you Mummy Cats. Listen, it's the season of spookiness, and we also love cats, right? So why not go with Mummy Cats? There are a series of little blind box cats inside little sarcophagus. Yeah, that. We have 3 out of the, I believe, 4 to collect. Might be a 5th one. But I say, let's start opening them up and see what we find. And it shows you all you can get in this series. Ooh. I think we're just gonna open them all up and then examine our findings. Awesome. We did get 3 different ones. I was worried about doubles. So we got a silver, like a redishy one, and like just a white one. But each cat inside is different. We got the orange kitty. Oh my god, wait, they come out? Oh my god. So the cat comes all the way out. Oh, I thought there might be a tail. Oh, okay. Are you examining too? All right. And we got a gray one. Didn't I just say don't eat the kitty? Put him down. And a gray and white kitty. Oh my, do they stand? Oh, okay. So the sarcophagus does stand not very well with the kitty in it. Well, okay, I lie. These are adorable. And I'm kind of excited because I do believe I got one of my best friends, well, both of their cats. So these have a home to go to. Why must you eat? Put the kitty down. These are super cute. The detail on them is actually like the paint job with the fur is surprisingly good. And like the etching and details in the sarcophagus, even just like the back and the whole, oh my god, with this little tongue sticking out, you can see. Yeah, overall, I'm impressed, and you get an adorable little mummy kitty. So if you're a fan of just Egypt, cats, spookiness in general, I say this was a win. Thank you for tuning in to this week's slightly spooky episode, and make sure you tune in next week for more random finds, random mysteries, and who knows what else. With being even closer to Halloween, probably even more spooky goodness, possibly cat related. 2 of my favorite things, Halloween and cats, so it's very likely. Thanks so much. Bye!
And here we have our mummy cats from Catan Club. So cute and so spooky.